Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's video I'm going to be sharing a haul of cute affordable items. All of the items in today's haul I purchased on AliExpress.com. I do want to let you guys know that all of the items in today's haul I purchased over time. Every time I got something I put it in this box, and now that the box is full I thought I would show you guys the items that I accumulated. And I will try to link every item in the description box. I'll try to find them, and if they're still available, I'll link them. So yeah, I'm going to put this box aside, and then I'm going to show you guys the items one at a time. Alright, so I went ahead and opened the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab the first items at the top. And it's these two large trays. I got one Kuromi for me, and one My Melody for my twin sister. And you can use these large trays for a lot of different things, but I was thinking of using these in our shop because we make a lot of things like charms and we work with a lot of beads and stuff like that. So I figured these trays would be nice to for when we're working on something and we need to put it aside to work on something else. We can do it on this tray, or we can get up and get all the beads and things we need and lay them out on this tray and then bring it to our desks to work on. So I thought these would be really cute. Alright, next items in the box are these two cute boxes. I got Cinnamoroll and My Melody, and they said that these were like multi-purpose use, but I really wanted to use it for like pencils. So I'm going to grab some of my pens and pencils and show you how they fit in the box. But now that I'm looking at it, you could also use this for your makeup. Like if you wanted to put it in your purse or your backpack, you can put like mascara, eyeliner, pencils, eyebrow pencils, stuff like that in here, even brushes. But I'm going to go ahead and grab some pencils. Alright, so I have a handful right here. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and see how they fit. So I put about 4 pencils or pens in there, and it closed really easily. It has this little latch here to open and close it. And as you can see, they fit really nicely. The back is clear so you can see everything that you have in there. I'm going to put a few in here too. So here's a few in the Cinnamoroll one. So I'm surprised that they closed, even though I used a lot of these pens that have little mascots and things on them. So I really like that because I do have a lot of pens like that. So I think it's cool that it fits like these thicker pens. And again, the back is clear and glittery, so you can like see your things that are back there. And I put a ruler in here even fit. So I think these are really awesome. I know that they did have different characters and stuff, so I'll link those for you guys. Next item that I want to share are these socks, and I've seen a lot of really cute listings for socks on there, so I really wanted to try these, and I'm surprised that they're actually really nice quality for the price, and they're nicely printed too, and the colors are pretty, so I'm really happy with this purchase. I got Rilakkuma and Rilakkuma Bedtime, and I love like the colors and the pastel, and I just think these are so pretty, so I'm really happy about these. Alright, so the next items that I want to pull out are acrylic drawer sets, I can tell, so I'm going to try to pull them out one at a time. So this is the little Twin Stars drawer. It's a pink drawer and it has this cute little Twin Star sticker in the back. These are the feet at the bottom. And I love the little printing on the clear acrylic and then the little pink drawer. So these are stacking, and they did have a few different designs, and I got 4 different ones. So I'm going to pull them all out for you so you can see the 4 designs that I chose. This is the My Melody. And she's here with rhythm and flat, and they're having like strawberry milkshakes, and I think that's just so cute. And here's the little cute sticker in the back of My Melody. And these, as you can see, they have the little feet at the bottom and the little indent at the top so that you can stack these. This is the Cinnamoroll drawer, and I think it's so cute. It has the little teddy bears and they're on clouds. And this is Milk, I believe is his name. And I think it's so cute. It says Cinnamoroll and it's a really pretty blue color. Here's the sticker on the back. And now lastly is the Kuromi one, and this one is so cute. It's purple. And we have Kuromi here with her popcorn, and Baku with the little gumball machine, and it says Kuromi is always in style. Has a little sticker in the back. So this is how they look all stacked up together. I'll try to give you a better view. I think they're like so cute. I love the pastel colors. I love the like clear see-through so that you can see what's inside each drawer. I really appreciate that. And I also really like that the graphics on here are printed really nicely and clearly. They're not like pixelated or blurry or anything. They look really good quality. So I am happy about that. The next items in the box are these really cute Cinnamoroll and My Melody storage containers. They open and close very similarly like this. Oh, this one's not pressed in. Now it's pressed in on the way, and you can see how they open and close. And you can fit all kinds of things in here. You can put Q-tips, you can put cotton balls, you can put paper clips. You can keep this on your desk for that. You can put all kinds of things in here. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use mine for, but I know that I wanted to use these in my shop for one of the various things I have. You can even put glitter in here and then open it and scoop the glitter out. Alright, next items in the box are these really cute trays. So these are two cute little mini size trays. One is My Melody and it's like her face with the pink bow. It's really cute. And this one is little twin stars, Kiki Lala, with their little friends, and it looks like they're on the cloud and looking down. And I thought these were really cute. They're very lightweight, which I appreciate. And yeah, you can use these for a lot of things. You can use them for jewelry, for like hair accessories. You can use them on your desk like for your snacks. You can like put out your M&Ms or your chips or whatever, cookies or anything you're eating, and you can put these out on your desk to snack while you're studying or gaming or anything. There's so many uses for these, so I love to have lots of these little trays, and I love the shapes of these. They're so cute. Alright, so the remaining items in the box are all Switch themed items, so I'm going to show them to you and then I'm going to try them on my Switch for you. So these are four different grips. This pack is Sailor Moon and she's like laughing and it's so cute. And then we have these Sailor Moon compacts, which I think are just so adorable. And then the other pack are from Demon Slayer, and we have Tanjiro and Zenitsu. And I think those are so cute. My sister's like a huge Zenitsu fan, and they're like kitties. If you can see, they have the little kitty ears. And I like Tanjiro. I think he's really cute and really like brave and lovable, so I'm really happy with those. And I don't know, I think these are my favorite. They're just so cute. The next items are protective cases, and I think you guys are gonna love these. I'm really excited about these. We have one Cinnamoroll, one Pom Pom Purin Baby, and one pink Cinnamoroll. So I'm gonna take these out to give you guys a better look because they're more detailed, and the like Joy-Cons are really cute and detailed too, so I want you guys to take a good look at these. Okay, so I actually just realized that I had dropped these and I didn't show them to you, so I also got these grips. They're Kuromi and Hello Kitty, and I really wanted the Kuromis. I think they're so cute. She looks like so mischievous with her little blush and stuff, so I'm happy I found these. So yeah, here are the cases all out. Here's a better look at the baby Pom Pom Purin. Has a little bottle, bib, rocking horse. It's just so cute, and I love the little cherries. And I also appreciate that it's like silicone, so it's kind of easy to take on and off. And then here are the matching Joy-Con covers. They're also silicone. All of these are silicone with silicone Joy-Con covers. And I love that they put all these little like details on the Joy-Con covers. I thought that was so cute. And it says right here in rainbow, Pom Pom Purin. It's so cute. And I'm going to try these all on for you, but I just want to show you the cases first. Here's the print of the Cinnamoroll. It's like a warmer pink, and I don't usually like warmer pinks, but I think this one's really pretty. Cinnamoroll here, cute with the balloons. And here are the matching Joy-Con covers. Super cute. And then the last one is this really beautiful Cinnamoroll blue one. And it looks like him and all his friends are at like a tea party or something. There's balloons. And it's just such a pretty blue. I think this is my favorite one. And then here are the matching Joy-Con covers. They're so pretty. I love the little cherries. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on for you guys now. Alright, so this is how the console looks, and these are the Joy-Cons separate from the console. I think they're so cute. And in the front I have my screen protector from Geekshare. That's why it's pink in the front, but the front is just like a thin yellow line. I'm gonna go ahead and attach them so you can see everything together. So this is how the back looks, super cute and adorable. And then this is the front. We do have the little pom-pom here and there, so I think that's so cute. So this is how the pink Cinnamoroll one looks in the front. It actually goes really well with the Geekshare screen. And then this is how it looks in the back. And then this is how the Joy-Cons look without the screen attached, if you were wondering. Alright, so here's how the blue Cinnamoroll pair looks. Super cute. And this is the back of the console with the blue Cinnamoroll on there. And of course it would be cute if you had like a skin or something to cover that and to cover the black areas, but this one doesn't have a skin on it. So this is how they look attached. You have cute little Cinnamoroll there and Cinnamoroll there, and I really like the blue and pink together. I think that's so cute. And then this is how it looks on the back. Really adorable. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys so much. See you in the next one, Kitty and Jerry.